The boys don't have school today. I think it's like a staff day for the teachers for both middle school and elementary. I'm making my tazo. I love this stuff. And I tried the skinny chai latte, and honestly it tastes the same because I never make it skinny. Because let me show you why. I do mainly this, and then oh, I need to go get my creamer. That's why. The creamer is the reason why I never make it. Soy milk, a little bit of that, and some creamer all the way to the top, the silk almond one. Oh, and did I show you? Justin finished our backsplash. I love it. He did such a great job. He did here, and he wanted to do up there too, and then over here. Yeah, and then I made some chili this morning. I'm waiting for it to cool down. Well, just like an hour ago, I said this morning. But yeah, I'm waiting for it to cool down so that I can put it in the fridge and we'll have that for dinner. It's nice that the sun came out though. I've been in a funk because, like, you know, of everything going on. And also just like losing Mr. Bob. I don't know why. Well, of course I know why, but it's like, you know how like when you are in a funk or you're sad and you don't want to be and you like hope that you're not, but you can't control it. That's what I'm going through right now. Hello friends, we are having dinner now. Chili, some rotisserie chicken, cornbread, and you know I'm kind of obsessed. I made a brand new batch of my cabbage salad. This is the chili. It's really yummy. I added chicken bouillon. You know I'd be adding everything to that. And then I use Impossible meat patties, and then the cabbage salad, the cornbread, and thankfully I did not know where the honey was, but thankfully we did a Boy Scout activity that involved like a parfait and honey, so we got some of that. And then for dessert we still have our chocolate covered strawberries. Look at my babies. They just love to play fight, I guess. I think I should get them a new scratching post. They have one in their cat tree. But look, yeah, good job, you guys. I see, this is why we adopted Cooper, because we knew that they would be buddies. Look at that. And they're so gentle when they fight. Well, sometimes. I said that and then they got a little rough. Hello, friends. I feel so much better. Yesterday I was kind of like in a funk. And I'm sure a lot of people are with everything going on. But I'm gonna start doing my cooking videos again, being productive. I did my hair because it makes me happy. I took Liam to school. Oh, how come the lighting's off? Oh, and then I took Liam to school, and then Justin took Jacob to school. And so I can film today now and put my apron on and start doing my cooking video. I'm not in a funk anymore. I guess the girl just had to bake something, you know. I made tubig. Do you see that? Girl, it's so freaking good. I did a video on it. I hope you check it out. Took Liam to school. Justin took Jacob to school. We tag team, one parent per child. Imagine having a kid in elementary school, middle school, and high school. How do you do that? I hope the times would be good enough. Or they would take the bus. The bus, yeah. Yeah, the bus. But Jacob didn't want to take the bus, nor did Liam, because they're still new to Minnesota, and I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. Anyways, yeah, Justin just did a taste testing. Come here, my handsome. He's so funny. He busted out some Filipino sentences I never heard that came out of his mouth, so definitely watch that.
You're going to have to watch it to see what I said.
I said, slow it down, sir. I can't understand. He did good, but it just took me a minute to figure out what he was saying. Best lunch ever. Chili, salad that I made. Well, I made all of this, okay? Cornbread, chocolate covered strawberries, and my man full.
Y'all, I ate everything already.
You did?
I ate it all.
And look at my Olipop. Hi, Papa. So after lunch, or while we were eating lunch, we got a knock on the door, and one of the vets from Minnesota Pets dropped off Mr. Bob's ashes to us, and I wanted to show you. This is my baby. This is my Mr. Bob. He came home. It's really sad and heartbreaking, but at the same time, I'm glad he's back with us and he's at home with us. So this is Bob. This is Sunrise. and this is Charlie. And it's really sad because Mr. Bob weighs the least. He lost a lot of weight when he passed. Like, I can feel it. I'm gonna put them all by the window. I usually like to keep them downstairs in the basement. There's this area where I have like a photo of them, but I just want to keep them here close to us today so I can show it to the babies. Actually, my kids, my big boys, I can't call them babies anymore, I was told, but I want to show them. So here is Charlie, Sunrise, and Mr. Bob, and then they're right there hanging out with each other. And I have these little angels that I bought on Amazon because I wanted like little statues of them. Justin loves his tupig. That's what I made for my Instagram reel video.
Guys, you have not lived until you've tried this.
He loves it so much.
It looks like kind of strange consistency because it's like gelatinous, right? But
no, it's good. Like, Jacob liked it too. I just picked him up and he loves it. Nice sweet boy doing his homework. Good job, Papas. Yeah. And then he noticed Mr. Bob right away. He's like, oh, Mr. Bob's here. And I was like, yeah. My Chicken Little built this with Justin for Pinewood Derby. It's going to be on Friday, but Justin and Jakey are going to go turn it in. It looks great. What is it called, Bubba?
Banana split speeds. Oh.
That's cute. Hello friends, how are you? Good morning. I wore this new blush from Milani. It's I worked out already and I got so sweaty, but I still see it on, so good stuff, Milani. And now I am making some bread on my bread machine before I go shower and get ready for the day. I was actually supposed to have a little coffee date with Amy today, but she wasn't free. She had like a transfusion, I think. She used to have breast cancer. She's cancer free right now. High five. Thank the Lord Jesus. Thank goodness. I'm so happy for her. But like I mentioned, like, she has a podcast. It's called Pink Power Hour if you guys want to check it out. You know, I gotta plug in my friends' stuff, you know. I'm not like a salty kind of friend that don't be sharing social media or supporting them. I mean, like, I can't relate to that. But I know a lot of people that were like that towards me. It's like, oh, you want to wish Drake a happy birthday, but you ain't support my account. Alright, Drake don't know you. Anyways, I don't know if I mentioned this. My little Jacob-Rooney is sick with a cold. Sore throat, headache, runny nose, cough. Sorry about the lighting. But yeah, he's not feeling well, so he's home. I made chicken noodle soup yesterday, and that's what he's having for lunch today. I'm having leftover chili yet again because when I love soup, but when I love my food, I will eat it over and over and over and over again until it's done. And today we're done. It's gonna be the soup, the salad, some tupig. Hello friends, how are you? I'm working on dinner now. Been hanging out with Jakey, just folding laundry, just hanging out with him. Not sure if he's going to school tomorrow or not. Probably not. If he still has, I know you're looking at me all upset, but you can't go to school if you don't feel well, right? And then I made some bread. It's been in here for a while, that's why I can hold it with my hand.
Bread.
Yeah, I know you like bread. It's so funny. Jacob used to not like bread, and now he loves it. Anyways, I'm gonna go work on dinner, and I will see you in the next vlog. Tell me one thing you're looking forward to. For me, Justin told me that we're gonna eat at like a crab boil soon, so I'm excited about that because I love a crab boil. Haven't had that since we moved, so I'm excited. Bye, friends.